So today we'll discuss the trigonometry ratios 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. So first we'll say trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. So when you consider a right triangle, see right triangle, if one of the, this is 90 degree, if this is 45 degree, then obviously this also will be 45 degree. Got the point? So now look at here, let's not write this one, understood it is 45 degree. So when two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. That means you can write here AB equals to BC. That is, suppose A. This is the side A, this is the side A. Okay, now use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is A square plus A square. Then that is 2A square. Therefore AC is root over of 2A square. AC is root 2A. That means your hypotenuse is root 2A. Now let's find out sin 45 cos 45 like this. So if you write what is sin 45 degrees, what is the sin formula? That is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So 45 opposite, AB by AC. AB by AC. So how much? AB means A by root 2A. So A cancelled, 1 by root 2. That means sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Let's see what is cos 45. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. BC is how much? A by root 2A. That is also 1 upon root 2. So cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Then you see tan 45. Tan 45 formula, that is opposite by adjacent. The opposite means this one, that is A by A equal, right? So tan 45 is 1. So like this, homework for you, you find out, find cot 45, find cot 45, sec 45, cosec 45. Okay, now trigonometric ratio of 30 degree now. So for this, what you have to do, the triangle has to be changed. Equilateral triangle you have to take here. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. So equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All the sides are equal. If this is A, this is A, this is also A. Each angle is 60 degree. This is 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. Now what you do is draw perpendicular AD. Write down AB equals to BC equals to AC, that is A. Then draw perpendicular AD perpendicular to BC. Remember, in equilateral triangle, perpendicular drawn from the vertex bisects the base. So implies BD equals to DC, bisect equal, that will be A by 2. So this is your A by 2. And divides the angle also, this will be 30 degree. Okay. Also ABD triangle congruent, these two are equal, means either you can take this triangle or this triangle, both will be same, equals to ADC or ACD. Okay, now so this is A by 2. Let's find out Pythagoras theorem, because this is perpendicular means 90 degree. So what is AD in ABD triangle? Square of the longest side, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. So you can put the values. So if you put the values, you will get A square equals to AD square not given plus A by 2 square. A by 2 square. Then A square, this will come this side. A square by 4 is AD square. This will come this side. Okay. So 4 LCM 4A square minus A square equals to AD square. AD square equals to 3A square by 4. AD is root over of 3A square by 4. So AD equals to root 3A by 2. This is root 3A by 2. Now let's copy this triangle here. Now draw the triangle here. This is B, this is D, this is A, this is root 3 by 2A, this is A by 2, this is A. Okay. Now sine 30 degree. Acha, this is, remember, this is your 30 degree, this is your 60 degree, this is your 90 degree. Okay. Now sine 30 opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, 30 का opposite means BD, BD by AB, A by 2 by A cancel, so half. Sin 30, suppose tan 30. Then tan 30 will be how much? Tan का formula opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent. Opposite means A by 2, adjacent means root 3 by 2A. A cancel, 2 to cancel, here is 1. So 1 by root 3. Cosec 30 suppose. Cosec 30 is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is which one? this one, that is AB by opposite is BD. A by 2. Okay, so this 2 will go up. How much will get? That is 2, because this will go up. Now homework for you. Find, same triangle use, find cos 30, cot 30, sec 30. Okay, 60 degree, sine 60 degree. Same triangle you have to take. This is A by 2, this is root 3 by 2A. This is what? A, this is B, this is B, this is 60 degree. This is your 30 degree. Okay, what is sine 60? Sine 60, what is the formula? Sine theta, sine formula. Opposite, 60 का opposite, AD by AB. Root 3 by 2A divided by A cancel. Root 3 by 2. Suppose I want to find cot 60. Cot formula, what is that? Formula, if you remember, is okay. 60 means adjacent, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent means which one? BD by AD. BD is how much? A by 2 by root 3 by 2A. A cancelled, 2 cancelled, 1 by root 3. Suppose sec 60. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is how much? Root 3 A by, sorry, hypotenuse is A by 2 means A into 2 by A cancel, that is 2. So like this, other 3 I would find out. What is other 3? So homework, find cos 60, tan 60, cosec 60. Okay, now the summary of this here 0 degree and 90 degree not in the syllabus. But its application is there. How to find it is not in the syllabus, but what is the value we have to use. Okay, so remember this table. Trigonometric ratio. Angles. Trigonometric ratio means sin theta, suppose cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, sorry, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. अच्छा, this is P by H, B by H, P by B, B by P. Cosec is sine का opposite, H by P, H by B. Okay, then 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, sorry 45 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sine 0 is 0, you have to remember. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, sine 90 watt. Okay, when you find sine, cosec, look at here, cosec ulta, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity, not defined. इसका उल्टा 2, इसका उल्टा root 2, इसका 2 by root 3, 1 का reciprocal 1. Okay, cos, come from here. Sine 90 cos 0 will be same, 1. 60 will be equal to 30, complementary angles. Means root 3 by 2. This is same. Then 60, 30, 1 by 2. This is 0. Cos and sec reciprocal. 1 by 1 is 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2. 1 by 0 not defined. Okay, 10. 10 is sine by cos. 10 is sine. Sine by cos is 10. That means 0 by 1 is 0. This by this is root 3. This by this is 1. This by this is 1 by root 3. This by this is 1. Sorry, root 3. This by this is not defined. Not defined. Achha. 10. Cot. Cot is cos by sine. Cos by sine. Remember? Cos by sine. 1 by 0 not defined. This by this 1 by root. This by this root 3. This by this 1. This by this 1 by root 3. This by this 0. So this table you have to learn by heart. Okay, how to use this? See a question given in your textbook. See the first question. Exercise 8.2. That is evaluate. Sine 30. Sorry, sine 60 cos 30. Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Just put the values. Table you have to learn. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is half. Cos 60 is also half. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Simple questions. Okay. So you try. Second, third, fourth is homework. Question number 1, second, third, fourth, homework. Okay. Now go to question number. Sorry, fifth part I will do for you. Question number 1, fifth part. Five cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 sin square 30 cos square 30. Only square method is same, that is 5 1 by 2 square 4 sec is how much? 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 square. Tan 45 is 1 square. Sin 30 1 by 2 square root 3 by 2 square. Only you have to simplify. How much? 5, this is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So how much you will get? You will get 5 by 4. This is 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 is LCM 1 plus 3. Okay. Then how much you will get? 12 LCM. This is 12 means this is 15. This is 48. This is 12 divided by 4 by 4. 4 by 4 the cancel. So this is how much now? 51 by 12. 317, 3 4. 17 by 4. Okay. See the another question. Question number Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Two 10 30 by 1 plus 10 square 30. How much you got? 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. This is 2 by root 3 by 3 LCM. This is 3 now, 3 plus 1. So 2 by root 3 ulta 3 by 4. So 2 cancelled here 1, this is 2. Root 3 cancelled here root 3. That is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So which value, which one is? Sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, none or sin 30. Remember sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. That's a sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a. Okay. Then what is the value of a? A is how much? Can you guess? Say A will be 0 degree. Why? Sin 2a. Sin 2 into 0. Sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. 2 sin a. 2 into sin 0. That is 2 into 0. That is also 0. That means A का value 0 degree. Okay. Then question number 3, you see, tan a plus b is root 3, tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. Then find a and b. So question number 3, tan a plus b equals to root 3, tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Find a and b. Tan a plus b equals to root 3. Root 3 means tan 60 degree. So tan cancelled. A plus b equals to 60 degree. Tan a minus b. Tan which value is 1 by root 3? Not tan 30 degree. Therefore a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So what you will get? You will get here a plus b equals to 60, a minus b equals to 30. Do the addition. E cancelled. 2a equals to 90. 2a equals to 90. A equals to 90 by 2, 45 degree. So now a plus b equals to 60. A means 45 plus b equals to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 50 degree. So this exercise, which question I left, you try to complete. Okay. And question number 4 also do. And all the examples you have to do. Which example I will tell you? Example 6, 7, 8 as homework. Example 6, 7, 8 is also homework. So complementary angle is not in the syllabus. The next article we will study in our next class.